Most people who open a crypto wallet are told to write down 12 or 24 words and keep them safe. The quickest way to do that is to pull out your phone and snap a picture. It feels like a smart backup. But creating that digital image often opens the door directly to a security breach. Today, we are running a definitive seed phrase safety audit. We are going to hunt down dangerous digital copies hiding across your devices and replace them with a secure offline system. To follow along, you will need a pen and a physical piece of paper, or the backup card that came with your wallet. You also need your phone and laptop ready to search. Before we begin, here is our strict safety rule. Do not use your real wallet credentials for this audit. We are only using fake demo text, like you see on screen here, to demonstrate the process. We are taking these precautions because an exposed recovery phrase gives anyone full access to your funds. Official wallet providers like Coinbase and MetaMask cannot stop a scammer once that phrase is out. How you store these words dictates whether your digital assets remain secure or whether you have left the vault door wide open to the internet. If you forget a bank password, you click a reset link and a central authority verifies your identity. A self-custody wallet does not work that way. Your seed phrase is an unrecoverable master key. Whoever holds it controls the wallet. This brings us to the S.E.E.D exposure chain. S stands for the secret is copied. When you type your phrase into a Notes app or photograph it, you turn a physical secret into digital data. E stands for extra copies appear. Modern devices are built for convenience, meaning that single image or text file silently syncs across your entire ecosystem. The next E is exposure happens. You now have multiple points of failure. A compromised cloud account, an info stealer malware infection on your laptop, or a shared family iPad can all expose that data. And D means drain risk becomes total. An attacker does not need to steal your physical phone or guess your app PIN. With the phrase alone, they can restore the wallet remotely and take the assets. A major factor here is OCR, or optical character recognition. If you take a photo of your backup card, your phone's software can read the text inside that image. This makes the words highly searchable and easy for automated tools to scrape. A digital copy of a seed phrase rarely stays in one place. It travels through networks and syncs across devices, creating multiple opportunities for discovery. Let's execute the V.A.U.L.T check to find any existing vulnerabilities, starting with V for verify. We need to search your current and old devices for hidden digital copies. Listen closely. Under absolutely no circumstances should you type your actual 12 or 24 words into any device's search bar. Typing the full secret defeats the purpose of the audit. Instead, use generic search terms. Look for phrases like wallet backup, recovery phrase, seed phrase, or crypto backup. Check your phone's photo albums, email drafts, and cloud drives. You might find a copy in a password-protected note and think it is safe. But if that note app syncs to a cloud server, or if your device gets hit with malware that reads memory, a local password offers little protection against remote extraction. Also, check secondary locations. Clipboard manager histories often store everything you copy and paste. AI chatbot prompts are another common place where people accidentally paste sensitive data. Finding these hidden digital traces, especially the ones you forgot you created, allows you to address the threat before anyone else finds them. Moving on to U in the V.A.U.L.T check. Use offline storage. Take your physical paper or backup material. Write the phrase down entirely away from computer screens, webcams, and mobile phone cameras. The goal is complete physical isolation. If you secure high-value wallets, paper might not be enough. Consider durable physical backup materials, like metal plates, which survive fire and water damage. Once written, move this physical backup into a secure, access-controlled location. A dedicated lockbox or a physical safe works best. By storing the master key entirely in the physical world, you eliminate the digital attack surface completely. Now we tackle the T in our V.A.U.L.T framework. Treat exposure correctly. We have to evaluate the severity of any digital traces you found during the audit. If you found a photo of your phrase on a device that has never connected to the internet and never synced to a cloud service, you can permanently delete that file. But if that file touched a network, if you emailed it, synced it to a cloud drive, pasted it into an AI chat, or shared it online, deleting it from your phone is no longer sufficient. You must treat the wallet as permanently breached. Follow official guidance to generate a completely new wallet and transfer your funds to the new address immediately. Relying on a seed phrase that has been exposed to the internet is like living with a ticking time bomb. The breach might not happen today, but the risk remains forever. Treating any networked exposure as a permanent, catastrophic compromise is the only mindset that guarantees the long-term safety of your digital assets. You have completed the audit. By finishing these steps, you have successfully closed the #1 vector for crypto theft. Your new setup has 0 digital screenshots, 0 cloud notes, and exactly 1 secure physical backup locked safely away. Remember the L in V.A.U.L.T, limit who can see it. Official support agents, Discord admins, and recovery services will never, ever ask for this phrase. If they do, it is a scam. This recovery phrase serves as the absolute master key to your vault. Protect it accordingly by keeping it offline, private, and out of sight. Mastering these security habits is essential to protecting your data, avoiding scams, and staying employable in a digital world. This is AI WorkSafe.